The world is changing faster than ever. There was a time when people worked hard for decades, climbing the career ladder, believing that experience and dedication were the keys to success. But now, everything is different. AI is not just a tool, it's a force, rewriting the rules of life, work, and success. Many people still don't realize it. But right now, at this very moment, everything they thought was secure is already shifting. The question is not whether AI will affect their future. It already has. The real question is, are they ready? Imagine a man named David. He had spent 15 years as a graphic designer, believing his skills would always be valuable. Then, one day, a client rejected his work, saying, "I got something better from an AI, and it was free." Just like that, the skill he had built his life around no longer mattered. He felt lost, replaced by a machine that never slept, never complained, and never asked for a paycheck. He thought about all the time he had spent mastering his craft, only to realize that the rules had changed while he wasn't looking. The same story is unfolding across industries. Lawyers, writers, programmers, even doctors. The jobs that once seemed untouchable are now in AI's hands. Some people are terrified. They see AI as a threat, something that will take away everything they worked for. But fear doesn't stop the future. It never has. The truth is, AI is not the enemy. The real danger is ignoring it, pretending it doesn't exist, hoping that things will stay the same. The people who refuse to adapt will be left behind, struggling to understand why the world no longer values what they offer. But those who embrace AI, who learn to work with it instead of against it, will find opportunities where others see only loss. There was once a man named Michael. He saw the rise of AI and realized he had two choices: fear it or use it. Instead of complaining that AI could write better emails than him, he learned how to use AI to automate his work, freeing up time for bigger ideas. Instead of fearing that AI could create art, he used AI as a tool to enhance his creativity. Within a year, he was not just surviving, he was thriving. While others panicked, he adapted. His income doubled, his free time increased. And all because he chose to see AI as a partner, not a competitor. This is the reality now. AI won't take away every job, but it will take away jobs from those who refuse to change. The people who will thrive in this new world are not necessarily the smartest or the most experienced. They are the ones who are willing to evolve. They are the ones who understand that AI is not here to replace them. It's here to amplify what they can do. Those who learn how to work with AI will have an advantage so powerful that others won't be able to keep up. Think about time. The average person spends hours every day on social media, mindlessly scrolling, consuming information, but never creating anything of value. Meanwhile, AI is being trained, evolving every second, getting smarter, faster, and more powerful. Time is the most valuable resource, yet so many wasted on distractions while AI is learning everything it needs to outperform them. Every minute spent ignoring AI is a minute falling further behind. The difference between those who succeed and those who struggle will be determined by one thing: how they use their time today. Imagine waking up 5 years from now. AI has advanced even further. Some people are thriving, using AI to build businesses, automate income, and create things that were never possible before. Others are struggling, unable to understand why no one wants to hire them anymore. The choices made today will define which group someone belongs to. AI is not slowing down, and it does not wait for anyone. Those who take action now, who learn how to use AI, will have a future filled with limitless possibilities. Those who ignore it will wake up one day realizing that the world moved forward without them. The future is not about working harder, it's about working smarter. AI can analyze data in seconds, create content in minutes, and automate tasks that used to take hours. But AI can't dream. AI can't imagine new possibilities. AI can't replace human vision. The real winners will be those who use AI to amplify their creativity, their ideas, and their unique perspective on the world. The ones who stay stuck in the past, hoping things will stay the same, will find themselves fighting against a future that has already arrived. Everything comes down to one decision. Will people choose to fear AI and resist change, hoping that their old skills will still be enough? Or will they take control of their future embrace AI, and use it as a tool to create new opportunities. The future belongs to those who adapt. The ones who see AI not as a threat, but as the greatest tool ever created. The ones who understand that success is not about waiting for the world to slow down, it's about moving faster, learning more, and becoming someone AI can never replace. The choice is simple: adapt or be left behind. The future is already here. The question is, are you ready? If you found this video helpful, inspiring, you're going to love books on AI and business. It's something I personally got help from, because I learned more about AI and how to use it to their advantage. I've linked them in the description below, so check them out and see how it can help you too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.